Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the algebraic expression x squared minus 49. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify and solve this quadratic equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Step 1 in solving the expression x squared minus 49 is to recognize that it is a difference of squares. This pattern is characterized by having two terms, both of which are perfect squares, separated by a minus sign. The general form of a difference of squares is a squared minus b squared. Here, x squared is the first term, and 49 is the second term because it can be written as 7 squared. Step 2 involves applying the difference of squares formula, which states that a squared minus b squared can be factored into a minus b times a plus b. Here, a is x and b is 7. So, x squared minus 49 becomes x minus 7 multiplied by x plus 7. This step transforms the original problem into its factored form. These factors, x minus 7 and x plus 7, cannot be simplified further, making this the final step. Your final answer is x minus 7 times x plus 7. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.